Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick walk around here on this FJ. Kind of do a light demonstration and also kind of go over to some of the cool features that are on this FJ. Fires right up. He's gonna go ahead and raise it. Okay, now we're gonna see the headlights. We have fog lights. I'm gonna show the blinkers off real quick. Perfect, there's the blinkers. You get the nice winch at the front. Make our way around. There's the rear blinker, the other blinker. All right. Let's take a look inside real quick. Here's your light switches here. That's for your fog lights. Radio head, or the stereo head units there. These are all the switches for the suspension. Just really nice, tidy build. Everything's really super high quality. Everything works super well. Let's take a look at the engine bay here. Got a nice vintage air AC, works super well. Huge radiator with two fans. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button. If you're interested in a shipping quote, we'd be happy to assist if you use the contact seller button. And if you're interested with 911R representing a car for you, go ahead and use the contact seller button. We can start a conversation today. Good luck with the rest of the auction.